my name is Mr. Whitaker, and I'm the new athletic director here at Highland Park. Welcome to the change, and I want you.
Hi, I'm Mike Forstier. Highland Park Football wants you.
Hi, I'm Coach Freddie Maysberg at Highland Park High School, and I want you to come out for cross country, wrestling, and track next season here at Highland Park High School. Hope you have a wonderful year and look forward to seeing you.
Hi, I'm Miss Andrade. I am the head girls tennis coach for Highland Park High School, and I want you to join tennis next year when you arrive at Highland Park.
Hi, I'm Monica Augusto, head cheerleading coach at Highland Park High School, and we want you. Hi, my name is Melissa Crater. I'm the head coach of volleyball here at Highland Park High School, and I want you.
Coach Mike, and I want you for the Highland Park boys basketball team.
Hi, I'm Coach Gomez, and I want you for Highland Park High School softball.
Hey, this is Coach Brown with Highland Park Baseball, and we would love to have you join Highland Park Baseball team next year.
This is Coach Moriarty, and Highland Park men's and women's soccer wants you.